So you want out? Withdrawing your cash from Questrade. Ever felt the urge to simplify? Maybe you're decluttering your closet, or maybe you're rethinking your investment strategy. Whatever the reason, if you're looking to pull your money out of Questrade, you've come to the right place. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's address the elephant in the room. Can you actually withdraw all your money from Questrade? The answer, like most things in finance, is, it depends. Buckle up, because we're about to unpack the different account types and what that means for your withdrawal flexibility. Cash is king, and queen freedom in cash accounts. Let's start with the simplest scenario, a cash account. Think of it like a digital piggy bank. You deposit your cash, you invest it, and when you need it back, bingo. No restrictions, no red tape. You can withdraw your entire balance whenever you want. This ease of access comes with a trade-off. You don't get the tax benefits of some other Questrade accounts. But hey, if you prioritize control and liquidity, a cash account might be your investment haven. Registered accounts, the taxman taketh away, and giveth a little. Now, things get interesting with registered accounts like TFSAs, RRSPs, and FHSA. These bad boys offer tax advantages when you contribute, but there are some limitations when you want to withdraw. Think of them like locked treasure chests. You can put money in freely, but there might be a combination to unlock them on the way out. For TFSAs, withdrawals are tax-free, but they also reduce your contribution room for the year. So, taking out all your money today might mean less space to invest tax-sheltered funds tomorrow. RRSPs are for retirement savings, so withdrawals before retirement generally trigger income tax. There are some exceptions, like the home buyer's plan, but they come with specific rules. Margin accounts, borrowing power, withdrawal complexities. Margin accounts let you borrow money to invest, which can magnify your returns. But guess what? They also add a layer of complexity to withdrawals. Imagine your investment pot is like a pie. Part of it's your cash, and part of it's the borrowed money. You can generally withdraw your cash freely, but if it dips below a certain level, you might get a margin call, a fancy way of saying you gotta redeposit some cash to maintain the borrowing ratio. Understanding the process, how to make a withdrawal. Alright, so you've figured out if you can withdraw everything. Now, how do you actually do it? The good news is, Questrade makes the withdrawal process pretty straightforward. You can initiate it online, choosing the amount and your preferred withdrawal method, electronic funds transfer, EFT, being the fastest and cheapest option. Tax implications, keeping the CRA happy. Remember, depending on your account type, withdrawals might have tax implications. It's always wise to consult with a financial advisor to understand your specific situation and avoid any surprises from the Canada Revenue Agency, CRA. The takeaway, weighing your options. Withdrawing all your money from Questrade is definitely possible, but the ease of the process depends on your account type. Cash accounts offer the most flexibility, while registered accounts and margin accounts have some rules to consider. Ultimately, the decision depends on your investment goals and financial situation. But before you hit that withdrawal button, remember, consider the tax implications. Think about your long-term investment strategy. Talk to a financial advisor if you have any doubts. Withdrawing all your money might seem like a simple action, but it's important to be informed. With that, thanks for watching, and until next time.